Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by Denison ITS. Today we're going to show you how to take a PDF and turn it into an image on a PC. So first you open up your PDF, and then you're going to want to view this in read mode. And then you're going to want to make sure that it gets down to a size so that the whole image is viewable. After you do that, all you need to do is take a little screenshot of it, and you can do that with the snippet tool. Say new, and then grab part of the image you want, and then just save it. Oh, I already have one. We'll replace it. And there you go. After that, you'll have your brand new image right there. Thanks for watching.